howdy there, Internet people. It's Belle again. So today, we're going to talk about a few different MAGAverse legal developments. We're going to cram them all into one video in the hopes of only having one Trump video today. Okay, the Supreme Court of the United States declined to intervene on Trump's behalf when it comes to the New York case. In a 5-4 decision, the court found that Trump's issue could be dealt with, quote, in the ordinary course on appeal. Conservative justices, Chief Justice John Roberts and Justice Amy Coney Barrett went against Trump and joined the liberal justices. This means Trump will be sentenced on the hush money case today. When it comes to the sentencing itself, Trump is supposed to appear virtually. And unless there's a major surprise, there won't be any real penalties. It is widely expected that Trump will receive an unconditional discharge. Basically, that's the judge deciding not to impose any penalties while respecting the verdict. Moving on to Special Counsel Jack Smith's report. A federal appeals court ruled that the volume of the report dealing with January 6th can be made public. The court also left the 3-day hold imposed by a lower court in place to give Trump time to appeal to the Supreme Court. He almost certainly will. So, this isn't over. Attorney General Garland has decided the volume on the classified documents case is not being publicly released at this time, for the reasons we discussed earlier. Short version, the report alleges criminal conduct by people who have not been found guilty and who could see further developments. According to reports, Garland will show select lawmakers the report, though. Stepping out from the center of the MAGAverse, Rudy Giuliani was held in contempt recently for failing to comply with requests for information about his assets in the defamation case. There's supposed to be a hearing about that today. Rudy's team asked the judge to appear virtually, citing his health and the idea that Iran is out to get him. I'm not joking. Quote, as one of the more outspoken critics of the current Iranian regime, at a time of heightened terrorism concerns following recent events in New Orleans and Las Vegas, and the escalating conflict between Israel and Iran and its various proxies, it is reasonable to take extra precautions regarding Mayor Giuliani's safety and limit travel whenever possible. The judge said, okay, and granted a conditional digital appearance. The condition was that Rudy attest under oath that he had not traveled outside of his state of residence for the last 30 days and would not travel outside of his state of residence for the next 30 days. Giuliani is expected to be at the hearing. In other news, yesterday over on the other channel, I talked about how some conspiracy circles are starting to wonder if maybe they've been tricked by Trump because of his Canada and Greenland desires. Well, that footage from Carter's funeral of him being all chummy and friendly with former President Obama did not help matters. Trump later admitting that they probably like each other just made it worse. So, there's that. We'll update as more information comes available. Anyway, it's just a thought. Y'all have a good day.